Yeah, recording. Go.
I'm big, so big. I'm good, so good. I'm big and good in subject, but my
I'm bad.
I'm big and good in subject. I'm big and good at subject, but I'm not happy. Why? I have many remarks, and my parents are sad. My English teachers say to me I'm excellent, and my French teachers tell me I'm not interesting. Also my Arabic teachers tell me I must do my homework and don't cheat in my exams. Girl generation make you feel ready. You know